Good morning kids, welcome to Shivaji Group of Institutions online class. Kids, I am Shivani Manna, I am your science teacher. Kids, open your science notebook and you have to be writing your notes. First, in first page you have to be write chapter name, that is plants in the surroundings, chapter 5 plants in the surroundings, and write down today's date. Clear? So first we started difficult words. Write difficult words with pencil, and one is branches. First, branches. Second, bushy, B-U-S-H-Y, bushy. Third, fibrous. Third, fibrous. Fourth, petiole. Fourth, petiole. Fifth, lamina. Fifth, lamina. Sixth, midrib. Seventh, chlorophyll. Eighth, kids, I have not enough space to write it full, so I write here, but you have to be full, take the full page. Eighth one is stomata. Ninth is reproductive. Ninth, reproductive. 10th one is edible. 11th, inedible. 12th, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. 13, lettuce. 14, embryo. 15, cotyledon. What is cotyledon? Cotyledons. Kids, you have to be write difficult words 2 times. Means one time I write it and another one time you have write by yourself. So tell it. First, branches. Second, bushy. Third, fibrous. Fourth, petiole. Fifth, lamina. Sixth, midrib. Seventh, chlorophyll. Eighth, stomata. Ninth, reproductive. 10th, edible. 11th, inedible. 12th, photosynthesis. 13, lettuce. 14, embryo. 15, cotyledons. After complete difficult word, draw a line with scale, and your next topic is defined term. Next topic is defined term. First defined term is stalk. In a stalk you have write a long vertical stem. A long vertical stem. A long vertical stem or connecting of a plant. What is stalk? A long vertical stem or connecting of a plant. That is stalk. Next, lamina. Flat, broad portion of a leaf. Flat, broad portion of a leaf. The next is vein. Thin tubes that form a branches that form branches that form branching structure of a leaf. Branching structure of a leaf. Next is chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? The green pigment found in a leaf. The green pigment found in a leaf. What is chlorophyll? The green pigment found in a leaf. Student, tell you this 1 to 4. I repeat it. Stalk. What is stalk? A long vertical stem or connecting of a plant. Second, lamina. Flat, broad portion of a leaf. Third, vein. Thin tubes that form a branching structure of a leaf. Fourth, chlorophyll, the green pigment found in a leaf. Next is first one, seed coat. Heading, seed coat. What is seed coat? Protecting outer covering of a seed. Protecting outer covering of a seed. The next last is germination. Germination. What is germination? Process of growth of a new plant from seed. Is called germination. Student, first one, seed coat, protecting outer covering of a seed. Last, germination, process of growth a new plant from seed. Kids, your today's difficult word and defined term had completed. In next class, I will continue this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.